The rain is picking up again, and we're down in the patch of Anne, and you can see some very perpendicular cuts made to the stems of these raspberries here. And this is in line with the act of bending over and taking very deliberate nips and nibbles on these plants, I think. Let's go contrast and compare. And here we are up at the clover patch that we were looking at the other day with that adorable little porcupine. And the cuts are very similar. These ones have a little bit of an angle to them, but the general structure of these bites and these cuts are in line. So I'm thinking, based on those fortuitous observations, that it's really a porcupine that's coming through. I bet if I went back and looked at the old videos of other pruning assistants, it's possible that it will look like porcupine browse and less like a deer browse, given this new information. So I'm going to be watching some videos today during the heaviest parts of this rainstorm, but otherwise likely be making tags for things like our strawberry baskets and some of the new peppers that have sprouted up, and a couple of the other things, the sweet woodruff, our stringy stone crops, the echeverias. Quick shout out to Formidable Flora, because these do look like maiden pinks. I think you were totally on the money. Look at them go. So I was incorrect. I was really hopeful, but I think these are definitely not what I thought they were. So thanks for pointing that out. But yeah, we'll have another huge flush of growth from this, I'm sure, which will mean more material to be laid down on all of the hugel beds and everything. But for now, the rain is starting to pick up. I haven't even finished my coffee for the morning, so I have a few more things to do, but I did want to do a little follow-up. So I'll catch you all very soon. Till next time, though, thanks for watching. Happy planting.